channel. I'm Eagle Trip and I'm back with another video. Today I'm coming to you guys with a premium box from Boxycharm. That box is $40, okay? So it's $39.99 plus tax. And I'm gonna make sure to leave all the information down below. So without further ado, let's get into this box because I know that's what y'all came to see. This is what I come to show y'all. So let's hop off into this box. The card with the theme on it, and the theme of this month is invite only. They have the prices on the back and the names of the products. So that is that. Okay, and then here's my box right here. So the first thing on the list is the Persona Cosmetic Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. And that is going for $42. And there is no eyeshadow palette. There's no eyeshadow palette. So what is going on? Persona Cosmetic Identity 2 palette. Ain't no eye palette in here. What's going on? What is going on? Oh, wait a minute. All right, well, let me see. Okay, so the next one is, let's just move on. I don't know what's going on. Actually, I wasn't even supposed to get the palette, so I think we have the wrong card. I think we got the wrong card, so that's what it looked like. So I'm gonna, let me see, let's go. Next, we're gonna go, let's just move on. Let's move on to the Rodeo blush drops, and that is going for $50, and that's a new launch. So this is the blush drops right here, and I got the color, what is this color? Sunset Kiss. Very beautiful, very beautiful. And for $50, that's an awful lot, but that's why you get these boxes. So there it is. It seemed kind of clogged up. I'm gonna have to rinse that off because it seems clogged and kind of tacky and clogged up through there. So we finna, I think that was a bit much. So this is the color. Again, it's in the color Sunset Kiss. That is super pretty. Very pretty. I think I'm gonna use it as a highlight as well. Which you maybe not. I don't know. That's super pretty. Yeah, you can use it as a highlight for sure. Y'all know I already got highlight on because y'all know I love to be glowy, but you can use it as a highlight too. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. So that is very pretty. And it's buildable. So if you don't like it so bright, you can always make sure to go in lightly. And if you want to build it up, you can actually build it up as well. So that's really pretty. That's really pretty. I love that. So yeah, and I've never actually did a liquid blush, so I'm digging that. So that again is the Rodeo blush, and it is a new launch, and that's going for $50. Our next product in the box is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil, which we don't have that. Yeah, we don't have that. I think we had the wrong card. The next product is the Riddle Oil, and let me just say that I know $50 is a lot of money. However, perfumes are expensive. I'll be the first one to tell you. That smells awfully good. So it's a roll-on. Look, let me just show y'all this first. It's definitely a roll-on. You just roll it on to wherever you like. So is it an oil? Yeah, it's an oil. It says, made with the simple ingredients of amber and musk. The original roll-on smells clean and subtle. This oil is natural, creates a signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on your original fragrance, it is hyperallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. This smells absolutely beautiful, and I guess it's called Original. It smells absolutely beautiful. Abso-freaking-lutely. That smells amazing. So that is that. That is the oil. I said perfume. But yeah, that's the oil. Smells beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so our next product in the box is the Tristique Eye Duo Tristique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara Eye Pencil. No, we don't have that. So we only have two products. Two products on the card. I just think they gave me the wrong card, so we finna just make do with what we have. The next product is the Kvd Locket Foundation, and I did choose this, so I know they had to give me the wrong card. So this is the foundation, and it did come with a pad. This is absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Got a mirror right there. It's in the color Deep 200. I'm hoping that it goes on my skin tone. This is absolutely beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. So now let's just see if it goes on. It's a little red tint to it. Oh, absolutely. It's a little tiny, it's a little red, but I can definitely work with that. So yes, absolutely. I'm gonna try to put a little bit more on here. Oh, that was a lot. So I'm gonna see. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Definitely will work for this face. So again, that is the Locket Kvd Foundation in the color 200 Deep, and I freaking love it. So that is that. I think this was going for $37, $37, something like that. So that's that. The next product is the Nude Sticks right here. Okay. I'm not sure. Let me see. It says it's a Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Pill. Lemon, papain, apple, and pomegranate. So we definitely gonna try that out. That is that. Not sure about the price. All right, our next product, we have the Better Than Skin Co. Eye Bright, and this is an anti-puff, anti-dark circle serum right here. Not a bad scent at all. Smell a little sagey. Not a bad scent at all. So that is that. Okay. And our last product in the box is this Girl Lactic Rose Petal Lip Gloss. And this is absolutely beautiful. And I don't know, was this? I don't remember how much this was. $20, $24. Yeah. I don't know how much this was. I think it was like 20 bucks.
I definitely smell roses. I smell rose. It smells pretty sweet.
Went on pretty good. So this is that. I'm going to try to look up the other prices for you guys to try and get y'all a total of this box. And I enjoyed this box. I'm glad that it was more makeup. Actually, I only received one skincare product, so I was very happy with that premium box. And the most favorite product of mine was the Kvd Locket Powder Foundation. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed this oil right here, which was absolutely amazing. And these blush drops were absolutely freaking beautiful. So, oh, I did get the oil for the under eye. So I guess I got two skincare products because I guess you consider this skincare. But I enjoyed that box. I enjoyed that box. So let me know what you guys think about that box. Let me try to get y'all a total really quick. Because, yeah. All right, I'm back. I found the total with some of the products that we were missing. I looked them up online, and let me just give you guys the prices really, really quick. So I just had two on the cart and pretty much guessed the other ones. Let me just run it down to y'all. So the two that are on the card were the Rodeo blush drops, and those was $50. The Riddle Oil fragrance, that was $50 as well. The KVD foundation was $37. The lip gloss was $20. The eye serum or the ice cream, not the eye cream. Yeah, the eye oil depuffer, that was $38. And then the nude sticks was $34. So all in all, we have a total of $129 worth of products. So $129 worth of stuff. Again, we winning. We winning. We are winning. So yeah, I enjoyed that. I really, really did. I think one of my favorite products in there was actually for sure the foundation as well as the blush drops. And what else was it? I love that oil. That perfume was the I keep calling it perfume. It's a perfume to me, okay? But the oil was absolutely beautiful. It smells so beautiful. And let me see. I'm going to try the nude sticks. I'm definitely going to try that. But I enjoyed it. So, yeah, let me go. I gotta get in the shower. So, thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing for real. Let me know what you liked. Let me know what you didn't like. Let me know what you received in y'all box. So, that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. I am ego tripping, and I'm out. No, I am ego tripping, and I'm out.